Amazon-owned Ring has canceled its partnership with Flock Safety, the AI-powered surveillance camera network. The companies announced the decision on February 12, 2026, stating the integration would require significantly more time and resources than anticipated. No Ring customer videos were ever shared with Flock's system. The partnership, announced in October 2025, aimed to let Ring owners voluntarily upload footage to Flock's Community Requests network for law enforcement use. Reports indicate federal agencies including ICE, the Secret Service, and Navy investigators accessed Flock's nationwide camera network for vehicle tracking and suspect searches. The move follows backlash to Ring's Super Bowl ad for its AI search party feature and a senator's letter highlighting potential privacy abuses. Privacy advocates have welcomed the cancellation. Ring says it will prioritize customer trust and vet future partnerships carefully. What this means is heightened scrutiny for AI surveillance tools as privacy concerns grow. Stay tuned for developments on tech privacy regulations.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.